keg carbonated salted caramel apple cider on Smokin' and Drinkin'. All right, so we've got our salted caramel apple cider, kegged, carbonated, and ready to drink. So we're gonna give it a try. Remember, we had 2 batches of apple cider, pretty high alcohol content. We had it about 9% ABV. So we wanted to bring that down a little bit more into a hard cider range, and we brought it down to about 6% by splitting the batch. And we made one of the batches just straight hard cider, carbonated it in the keg, and that was a big hit. We had a little bit left over, so we added it to our about a half a gallon of the salted caramel apple cider that we had made, and we pressurized that, and now we're ready to give that a try. So this is batch number 2, salted caramel apple cider. Let's give that a try. Oh yeah, we've got good carbonation on it. Pretty clear, like a cider. Smells like cider, just a faint hint of the caramel smell. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, that's really good. Just a slight hint to the caramel, and that salted caramel. We added just a couple pinches of salt. That is really good. I think that's a hit. We have to take that one to our next party. So that's it. As always, thanks for tuning in to Smokin' and Drinkin'. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and as always, Prost!